All right, thanks for coming to BodyFix PT and Performance YouTube channel. What we're gonna show you guys today is how to foam roll your thoracic spine, that's your upper and mid back. You can use one of these foam rolls. They come in different sizes. Some will be about this size, and that's okay for your back. It may not seem like it's wide enough, but it'll do the job. Here, you can get one that's 3 feet long, or you can, and then they come a little bit harder packed. This one's pretty soft, but that's okay. We don't need to do much. So I'm gonna put this down on the ground here, and I'm gonna lie down over it, okay? Like so. All right, and then I'm just gonna roll up and down my spine. My rear end is off the ground. I'm just rolling back and forth, okay? Get a little bit of an ab workout. Put your arms up. Get the muscles a little bit differently. Okay, and then after you do that, if you're trying to open up your spine, what we want to do is we'll start like this. We can go legs straight if you can do it. That's an advanced version. I'm going to show you both. So we'll start with our legs bent, and then we're going to raise our arms up, trying to keep our butt on the ground, and just kind of stretch out. You can see this hand reaches the ground. I'm on my shoulder blades. I want to be a little bit below my shoulder blades, so I'm going to scoot down a little bit. And this left arm does, oh, there it is. I'm just going to rest and hold that. If this hurts your neck, you can bring your neck up like so. All right? So, the more advanced version, we're going to straighten our legs. Okay, and then keep that right underneath your shoulder blades. And we're going to reach up. Just like so. And what I would suggest is to hang out in that position for at least 30 seconds up to a minute. And that'll really open you up. If you are stuck at a computer all day, hunched over, or anything like that, this is going to be very beneficial. So once again, that's just how to foam roll the thoracic spine. And if you like this video, comment below, give us that thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You can email us. Check out our website, bodyfixpt.com, info@bodyfixpt.com, or you can check out our social media. Instagram is @bodyfixptp. That's for physical therapy and performance. Take care. Thanks for watching.